Esurance Renters Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Esurance Renters Insurance app is designed to make managing your coverage simple and fast. Many people assume it's only a policy viewer, but it actually allows you to pay premiums, submit claims and track reimbursements all from your smartphone. On the pros side, the app offers quick access to your policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles and endorsements. Claims submission is guided and intuitive, letting you upload photos or documents directly. Premium payments and billing history are easy to manage. Push notifications keep you updated on claim status, payment reminders and policy changes. Additionally, the app provides useful resources like facts and safety tips for renters. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report occasional slow performance when accessing older claims or detailed policy information. Advanced features such as coverage calculators or policy comparison tools are not included, which may inconvenience renters looking to optimize their coverage. In conclusion, the Esurance Renters Insurance app is a practical and user-friendly solution for managing renters' insurance. While it lacks advanced planning tools, it performs exceptionally well in claims handling, premium management, and policy monitoring. For renters who value simplicity and peace of mind, this app is a strong choice.